So I said I wasn't going to do it. I did it. So you probably know by the title, but I have worked for VIPKID for 3 years. Yay! And I did it. I ordered the 6 contract hoodie. So when I was thinking about not doing it was kind of a time when I was pretty burnt out with VIPKID and they were changing a lot of things. And they changed the price. It wasn't a free hoodie anymore. You had to pay $35. And I was like, oh, I'm not getting it. I don't need a hoodie to prove anything. And then when the time came, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get that hoodie. So like we always say, it's like a rite of passage. It's like you've taught all these classes and you've managed to not get fired. And so let's open the hoodie. I just recently started working for VIPKID again. I had taken some time off and some regulars just came back to me and I just love them. I'm not doing it this week. I have some next week, but it's really hard to do with my outschool schedule, which this week, this was my schedule. So it was a little crazy. I had 12 classes on Monday, but it's now Friday and I got my thing. So let's open it up. So let me know in the comments if you already have your 6 contract hoodie. You're gonna get it when it's time. It came really fast too. It looks like it came from Texas, so it came within like 2 or 3 days. I cannot believe it. I ordered the large because I like sweatshirts to be big. It looks really big. Oh, do not eat. Okay, let's try it on. Oh my. I think somebody said they run small. It doesn't look that big. Let's unzip it. I don't love orange, but I won't get shot if I'm outside in the garden and somebody's hunting. Oh wow. It is super warm though. I know this winter it's gonna feel good. Yeah, and I can actually wear this to teach. Wear this to teach for outschool. Why not? You're a very important kid, right? Oh my gosh. This is pretty awesome. This fits really well. So this is a large. I wear large in my shirt sizes too because I'm like broad shouldered. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I like it. I'm excited. So maybe this will encourage me to teach more for VIPKID. Oh, this is a little crazy. I might have to put this down. So technically, what's happening here? It's very conservative. So technically I could wear this and teach for outschool, right? It looks weird. It looks like I'm going hunting. But for VIPKID, it's awesome. I'm not sure. I'm not really a person who likes things around my neck, so I'm going to have to... What do I do with this? That looks weird. But anyway, I guess that's what this is for. Wait, what is this for? This is just for looks? This is nothing. This makes it a little bigger. Okay. But anyway, I'm happy I got it. It's too hot right now. It's like going to be 97 today. So I definitely won't be wearing this today. But that's it. So thanks for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye.